Hello guys, sorry about the heater noise. So we're gonna start working on the machine again, and I'm gonna start closing those in. I'm gonna weld all those shut with the plates, and also the wheel areas. So in the end this will be watertight till somewhere here. Let's start messing around. I'm gonna have to remove the brake caliper and also the rotor. I think that's the brake line. Next I'm gonna clean the surfaces for welding. Fully weld those. Got these pieces all welded in. Top small one also had it here, a small piece, and here that one you saw. And now later I'm gonna do a small shrouding here, which will house this pipe and this rubber thingy. So guys, got this cut out of cardboard and bent, but let's try this one a little bit differently. I'm gonna try a trick. Let's see if we can make it into metal just like that. What the hell? I wanted to do only that one, but Now that is done as well. What the hell? Taking out all the job I like to do. Okay. Luckily I still have that piece to do. No more trickery anymore. I wanna do this work myself. So that's more piece welded as well. Need to bend this. Like that I'm gonna cut a little relief here. So meanwhile, I've done this hole, that one, and also that one. That was the one side. Then from here, and now I'm working on this piece, which goes around the muffler. Of course, this hole will not be as tight as it is right now, but it's just to get the measurements right. So now I can start cutting this out of metal. So let's weld it in. So now I got it more nicely tucked in, and I'm gonna fully weld it then we will see. Check it out with you guys. So this is also welded in with my little welder and all nice and strong. And that one is welded up as well. Now it's time to convert all those into steel and weld those onto the driver's side frame. here with a machine. And as you can see, we have quite a mess in here. So first thing, I'm gonna tidy this place up a little bit. Got this place cleaned up, but next I'm gonna have to remove the rear wheels as well, so I can start doing plates and hair and yeah. Okay, let's do this. And now let's tuck it in. And now we're ready for the other side. On that piece, I'm gonna have a slight bend in here, because as you can see, the frame also like has this and the small one here to follow those lines basically. Got this all welded in and also those. And now let's tackle the rear end. Those fully welded, both sides. And now next I have to remove this hitch, which is bolt it down with 4 bolts. Next we are gonna start working on those, but now I'm gonna clean those from rust and dirt, and then we can start fabricating the pieces and welding those in. So okay, let's do it. So got this piece cut out of steel and all bent up and ready to weld in. It's gonna go here like that. So fellows, now the frame is mostly welded up. Of course there are small things. I will need to put the bar in here and cut this middle section off, because I want to make it watertight, but that will be on the way, in my way. And also on the front frame bottom, the bottom pieces will be removable. Those I will start doing next, the removable pieces. And I will still have to think of how I'm gonna seal the muffler. And the steering linkage. But yeah, all the back parts are welded up. There will be a rubber grommet like that. I haven't put this in place yet because everything needs to be primered and painted, but yeah, I'm very happy. And now next I'm gonna, this front middle bigger piece I'm gonna make removable to make some future repairs and stuff a little bit easier. And as I already said, all the bottom will be removable. But yeah, next piece I'm gonna do is here. First I'm gonna weld some metal, this bar all around, and then I can bolt my cover plate to those with bolts. What else? When I get the frame done, then I can finally focus on the cabin and design part of things. And I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, let's do the front piece and enjoy. So I got the frame all fabbed up and also the blade which is gonna bolt here. But I don't have the right bolts right now, and so I'm also gonna thread the holes later because it's not so hard to do. Now I can weld that in. So we can put this in place temporarily. Later I will buy some new bolts. I managed to find a few just to temporarily attach it. But yeah. All those plates that come here and also that one will be sealed with some kind of sealer or maybe a gasket, or I will see. But yeah, there is quite a lot of work still left to do, but yeah, the frame is really starting to come together. And that is nice. So yo, that's in also. Not bad, eh? Let me close the hood. Right now I got just this piece of piece of pipe holding it up. Later on I will add those gas cylinders or whatever that they use on the cars. Yeah, nice. Obviously the front end is not finished, not even close. There will be a big grill for the air intake, radiator cooling. There will be lights on both sides, and there might be some air vent here, I will see. But yeah, and this contraption which I have going on here right now, it's just to hold the windshield frame in place, because I have a lot of welding to do on that as well before I can remove this bracing. But yeah, coming along nicely. In next episode probably gonna finish off the plates for the underneath and the frame, and maybe even paint the frame from the outside. But we will see. maybe I will carry on with the bodywork. We'll see. Bye for now. And see you next time.